Now we will read the poem and understand the poem in detail, what A.D. Hope has to say. So coming up is the text of the poem Australia. The poem reads, "A nation of trees, drab green and desolate grey, in the field uniform of modern wars, darkens her hills, those endless outstretched paws of phoenix demolished her stone line worn away. They call her a young country, but they lie. She is the last of lands, the emptiest, a woman beyond her change of life, a breast still tender but within the womb is dry. Without songs, architecture, history, the emotions and superstitions of younger lands, her rivers of water drown among inland sands. The river of her immense stupidity floods her monotonous tribes from Cairns to Perth. In them at last the ultimate men arrive, whose boast is not we live, but we survive, a type who will inhabit the dying earth. And her 5 cities, like 5 teeming sores, each drains her, a vast parasite robber state where second-hand Europeans pullulate timidly on the edge of alien shores. Yet there are some like me turn gladly home from the lush jungle of modern thought to find the Arabian desert of human mind, hoping if still from the deserts the prophets come, such savage and scarlet as no green hills dare, springs in that waste, some spirit which escapes the learned tout, the chatter of cultured apes, which is called civilization over there." That was the text of the poem Australia.